Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is an open collaboration hosted by Crafty Girl Chronicles, who I'll link in probably the title, maybe the description, maybe both. So it's about kind of planning your week to try and stay on schedule and get some things done, but also being calm about it, not stressing if we don't get everything done. Although I grew up in the world of business and I mean, strict deadlines. Also was a federal contractor, strict deadlines and customers that you had to meet the schedules. So this already feels, you know, more relaxed to me. But I do have YouTube things I need to do and I want to try and meet those better than I have the last few months. And I'm getting there. My mojo's coming back. The craft room's still a mess though, and that really hinders my creative process. So I do need to work on that. Anyway, so this is the week of the 23rd, Monday, through Sunday, the 29th, and Sunday, the 29th, is National Coffee Day. So I did a coffee theme, and I have had these washies. This one wasn't open. These other ones were. This is a Doodlebug one. I don't know where this one came from. Maybe Dollar Tree because it's one with the white paper backing. I'm not sure. The skinny blue I used, I think that was in a pack from either, I think Hobby Lobby, and I have no idea where this one was from. It was in my drawers of washi, and then these two came out of this Recollections from Michael kit, which I'll put back in there in a minute. And then I had these Dollar Tree Jot stickers, so they're older, much older. I don't know if they have a year. It doesn't really matter. You've probably all seen them, but they're layered. So they have a pop dot on the bottom, and then one in between, and then some of them have stuff popped up even on top. So I pulled some of them apart, and I was going to use both sections, but I discovered after peeling the top one off that all the bottom layers have a blue one on them. So unless I covered that with a heart or a coffee bean or something, it kind of is like, eh. So know that if you take these apart, I guess for their assembly people, they numbered the ones that go on the bottom. Yeah. But anyway, I had these left and a couple hearts. So I used them and also this one, but I used that one, the whole layer, but I just took the bottom foam off. And I don't like it two-dimensional in my planner. And then I did bring in some little other planner stickers out of this Create 365 tiny book, and that's the only one of those I use. So let me put this stuff down. One sec. So here it is. Yep, let's slide it down a little. There's my Doodlebug washi, which didn't really go with the other one, so I separated it with the black, and then this is mostly black and red, and I brought in the red here, and that skinny blue, I just added some touches of blue. I maybe have to do that here too, I don't know. So I put Love Coffee, planning, because I'm doing that today, and I forgot to write it over here. And I should have done it on Sunday. So today I have Make and Record Gnome a Month series after the planner video and after my walk, which I have to do mid-morning because we're expecting rain by like 1 or 2 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. it says here. Hopefully it holds off. And I didn't do it early this morning because I wanted to get this done. I have to also make hashtag Deck the Year for 2 weeks, last week and this week, and I know what I want to do for both of them. And I also have to run an errand sometime this morning. Maybe I'll do that right after this before I do my walk because I just need to pick up some prescriptions that are in and a few groceries that we are out of that we need. And then this is the coffee did I even show that one? Oh, it got buried. Hang on. This one. This is the one I opened. Really colorful cups. I like that one. And they're all the to-go cups. And then this is one of the stickers, as is this and this out of the tiny book. And this one also, and it says it's coffee o'clock. I put washi tape here. It really is for planning, and should have gone here, but I didn't have room. And this little heart came out of that book as well. And then this is a sticker out of the Dollar Tree pack, and then the red and black, and then the doodlebug here again, and laundry's wash day. I try and do my wash before the weekend because my son, since he works, usually does his laundry on the weekend, and I did laundry. He didn't this past weekend. I did some on Friday and also a load yesterday on Sunday. So my laundry is caught up. It needs to be, some of it needs to be put away, but it's all folded and everything. So anyway, so I guess I need to do that, put laundry away too. It's all my stuff that I need to put away. Anywho, so then going on, I am in a collab on National Coffee Day, hosted by Linnea at Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond, and it's called Crafters Coffee Clutch 2024. It's a one-time collab slash hop. So I haven't made the projects yet. I put project parentheses S because I have a couple ideas. So I need to work on that tomorrow after I take my cat to the vet. She has her annual checkup and shots, and she's having really obnoxious meowing issues during the night, which is really hindering my sleep in particular. And I've been, as a result, I already get up early. I get up at like 4:30 or 5, usually because she's meowing, although today she was meowing earlier in the night instead of wake up time. Um, but I'm on that schedule now, so I wake up early, so I've been going to bed early. And I have to in order to get a couple hours sleep before she starts on her meowy spell. I don't know what's going on. I hope she's okay. Um, so yeah, and then Wednesday, oh, and I have to walk probably at lunchtime on Tuesday because I think this rain that's expected here is supposed to sort of taper off in the morning, and I'm hoping I can walk outside at lunchtime without rain. And then Wednesday is chance of rain all day. So I put walk to video. I have some walking videos at noon and all day, other than that, work on the coffee projects. And then Thursday also is some rain expected till 2 p.m. Hopefully I can get the deck the years done today and schedule that video for Thursday. And then Thursday I want to work on my stencil a month project. It's not a collab, it's just something I want to do and was doing on the 27th of each month, and do the video and schedule it, and then continue working on the coffee projects if I haven't finished them, and do a video for Sunday, and walk after the rain. And if it changes, which is likely, I might have to walk to a video there too. And then I already mentioned laundry and posting the stencil a month series, and so I put walk early AM, but I have to play that by ear. And jewelry, I have to make jewelry and do a video on Friday from my other channel, which I need to pay more attention to. And then Saturday I left as I just put walk, don't know what time. Every day has showers in it somewhere, but it's all subject to change. So I figure Saturday would be a catch-up day, doing housework and having my coffee, which I'm on cup number 2. Uh, no breakfast or anything yet, no walk yet, so it's not doing my blood sugar real good right now, but it's okay. It'll come down once I walk and have breakfast. It's weird. Anyway, and then Sunday, possible showers midday. So I have the collab and I want to spend some time watching the other videos and enjoying my coffee while I do. We're supposed to post at 8 a.m. Eastern, so um, we have all day Sunday to watch the videos and hop. But I hope that you will also do that. I'll have the other participants, and there's quite a few, linked below the video when I put it up. And be sure to check out Linnea over at Fashionably 50 something and beyond. And yeah, I did not fill in anything down here. This week's, oh, at the bottom I have, I can't show it to you. I have coffee there and just red over here because I have the coffee up a little higher. Top three, let's just write them in, I guess red this time, is walk every day that I can. This week I did 5 out of 7 days. I didn't walk 2 of them. One was weather related and I forget what the other one was. I put every day. I know this is down low, but I can't move my book up any higher. Maybe I can do this. There we go. Well, sorta. Okay, walk every day. Get all collabs done. Collab projects. And videos done. And do the jewelry. So we're almost to October, and November 3rd, I have a craft fair and I am not ready, and I really need to spend time in October um, getting ready for that. So it's very possible that some things on this channel might take a back seat in October in order for me to get ready for my jewelry craft fair. It's not a paper crafting craft fair, although I might take a few things along, but it's primarily my jewelry. So that's it, guys. That is what I have for you this morning. And I hope this afternoon, I put noon on here, but I'm actually going to, well, I'll leave it there, but I won't be up by noon, especially if I take my walk and run to the store. But hopefully later, maybe evening, I'll have a gnome a month something up, and it's going to be fall themed. Probably. I think I have a fall gnome set or two. So anyway, yep, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Have fun crafting. And I hope if you're working still, you have a fairly stress-free work week. And I know sometimes they're far and few between. At least that was my experience. And yeah, oh, and this says, Love is the life of the soul. It is the harmony of the universe by William Ellery Channing. Yeah, okay. Well, I definitely say hugs, love, and peace because it's definitely better to spread love than hate, right? And if we each try and do our part that way, maybe it'll be contagious. But history hasn't shown that to be true, but we can try, right? All right, guys, have a wonderful week. Hugs, love, and peace.